Hey guys, welcome back. Honestly, if you are walking into a corporate interview or a GD round this season without a solid grip on agri stack, तुम बहुत बड़ा risk ले रहे हो. Because this is not just some government agriculture initiative that you read once, highlight in your notes, and then forget. It's a live example of how India is building digital infrastructure at massive scale, and that makes it extremely relevant for the interviews, GDs, business conversations, and honestly, even for understanding how the economy works. And here's the interesting part. AgriStack is actually an MBA strategy case hiding inside a current affairs story. So stay with me because by the end, I'll give you the exact MBA theory plus the interview language you can use if this comes up. So first, let's understand what's AgriStack actually. Think of it as a digital backbone for the Indian agriculture. Now, instead of having one disconnected system for farmers' identity, another for land records, another for crop information, another for insurance, and another for credit, the idea is to create a connected digital infrastructure that different agriculture services can build on. And the scale is already massive. As of 3rd of August 2026, more than 10.31 crore farmers' IDs have been created. The Rabi 2025-2026 Digital Crop Survey had almost covered 648 districts and more than 31.3 crore plots. ये numbers याद रखना important है? Not really. But pause here. This is exactly why you should care about this news. Because in an interview, numbers like this immediately move your answers from I have heard about AgriStack to I understand the scale and the significance of AgriStack. कितना बड़ा है ये तो आप कम से कम गौज कर पाओगे. So what sits underneath this infrastructure? Three important components हैं. Farmer registry, geo-referenced village maps, and third one is the crop zone registry. These can then support the services such as credit, crop insurance, MSP procurement, advisories, disaster management or relief, and potentially much more than that also. So instead of building every service from the scratch, you are creating one digital foundation and reusing it across multiple applications. Basically, एक बार strong foundation बनाइए और फिर उसके ऊपर multiple floors बनाइए. That is where your MBA theory enters. So here enters CK Prahlad and Gary Hamel's core competence framework developed in 1990. Their argument was quite powerful. A company's long-term competitive advantage isn't necessarily the individual product it sells. It can be the underlying capability that allows it to create multiple products and enter multiple markets. And they used a fantastic analogy here. They used a tree. जैसे tree के roots रहते हैं ना, वो roots core competencies हैं. The trunk is the core platform, and the branches, the leaves, the fruits, they are the final product. Now look at the agri stack through that lens. The roots are the digital identity, data architecture, land and crop information, authentication, institutional learning. और trunk क्या हो जाएगा हमारा? Agri stack का shared digital infrastructure. What will be our branches? The credit, the insurance, the MSP, the advisory, the disaster response. So this is the kind of connection an interviewer loves because you are not just reciting current affairs in front of him. You are applying a management framework to do it. And there's another MBA concept hiding here. Economies of scope. प्लीज डोंट कंफ्यूज दिस विद इकोनॉमीज ऑफ स्केल. मुझे पता है कुछ लोगों ने ये सुना ही होगा इकोनॉमीज ऑफ स्केल के बारे में. स्केल मीन्स टू डू मोर ऑफ द सेम थिंग टू रिड्यूस द एवरेज कॉस्ट. But economies of scope अलग है. Scope means to use the same capability across different things. Imagine you already have a validated farmer identity and digital data architecture. Tomorrow you want to introduce a new agricultural service. You don't necessarily have to start from zero. You can build on the existing infrastructure. So the strategic equation becomes one digital core, many services, lower incremental costs, and faster expansion. And this is why AgriStack matters far beyond agriculture. This is a lesson in platform strategy, digital transformation, economies of scope, and capability building also. So let's make it a little relatable for you. आपका smartphone ले लीजिए. Great example. You don't buy a different smartphone for your banking, for your maps, for your payments, for your photography, for your messaging. The underlying hardware and the operating system supports multiple applications. And that's the same strategic idea. For a startup, the core competence could be its technology platform, right? For a company like Amazon, it could involve fulfillment, logistic capabilities. For a consulting firm, it could be the problem solving methodologies and the organizational knowledge. And for you personally, think about your own career. Don't just collect 10 random skills because they are trending on LinkedIn. Build a capability that can travel across multiple roles. स्किल ऐसा होना चाहिए जो एक जॉब में नहीं पूरे करियर में काम आए. एंड दिस इज द एवरीडे लाइफ वर्जन ऑफ द कोर कॉम्पिटेंस. सॉफ्ट स्किल्स उसमें सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट है. ओके, now let's come to the part you can literally use in your interview. Imagine the interviewer says that what is the strategically significant part about AgriStack. So don't just say that it is digitalizing the agriculture. That's factually correct, but it's very descriptive. Okay, instead try saying that the AgriStack can be understood through the core competence framework because its strategic value lies not merely in the individual agricultural services but in the reusable digital capability underneath them. It creates economies of scope and allows multiple services to build on a common platform. That one answer shows current affairs awareness, MBA theory, as well as strategic thinking. And suppose they push you further. So, but why is this difficult to replicate? So your answer should be, because the advantage isn't simply the technology, it's the combination of data, institutional processes, integration, organizational learning, and potentially the network effects. Technology copy करना relatively easy है, but an entire ecosystem built over years, that's very difficult ball game. So if you remember just one thing from today's episode, remember this: don't just ask what an organization produces. Ask what capability allows it to keep producing new things, because products are the fruit, platform are the trunk, but the real strategic advantage are the roots. And that is the MBA lesson hiding behind the AgriStack. So the next time AgriStack comes up in your GD, PI interview, or even a casual business conversation, don't just tell them what it is. Tell them why it matters. Because current affairs याद करना easy है. Current affairs को thinking में convert करना, that's the real advantage. And that's news decoded by Priyasha, guys. See you in the next episode tomorrow. तब तक के लिए please do like this video, share it with more and more people, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Tata, bye bye.